Hi, Ivana Graham here. I'm talking about Dyslexia Toolkit. And today we're going to discuss tool number 7, oral reading. Now, oral reading is a big problem for a lot of dyslexic people. They don't want to read orally, and there's a good reason. The words get all tangled up and come out in the wrong order, and then people laugh at them, so who would want to do that? Now, the thing to keep in mind is that there's no need to read orally most of the time. But if you have to, there's a way for a dyslexic student to do it. After they've learned to track, to scan, to do silent reading, then they can use their silent reading skills to read orally. So I tell them, read this sentence. When you come to the period, stop, think about what it means, and then look up and say what it means. So I tell them this is how professionals do it, and it is. They're not reading word by word, and they're certainly not sounding out words. They glance at a sentence, they know what it means, and they speak it to the camera or to the audience. And dyslexics can do the same thing once they're freed from a word by word need to say what's on the page. So you're going for meaning, not word by word. And I explain that in more detail right here. And so if you want to know more, that's where to find out.